So heavy. There we go. Oh, that's why, because you're 4 pounds. Sweet. On the rat. Spro. Thank you, Mike, for letting me use that. Wow. You were hungry, bud. Let's get you weighed up. See what you weigh. Wow. You're definitely about 4 pounds. Four, 6. 4 pounds, 6 ounces. Nice bass. Look at the size of this belly. All right. Wow. Thank you, sir. Mwah. I appreciate you. First top water bite of the year, people. The fish are out here. They're feeding. Thank you, sir, very much. You're an absolute gorgeous fish. Let's get you put in the water nice and easy.